To achieve something like this is going to require an insane amount of dedication, an insane amount of, patience, an insane amount of courage and discipline as a trader. So I want to embark on a journey that might change the course of my life forever. I'm seeking for $1 million in prop firm capital, and my starting point is going to be $100,000 with fundedNext. Prop firms have been around for a while, and I believe that most of the big traders that we have today, they started somewhere. Prop firm is a starting point for every trader. If you're not trading prop firms, even if you have a personal account, I suggest that you have prop firms at the side, unless your personal accounts are really, really big. But for aspiring traders who do not have sufficient capital like myself, I need a prop firm to scale up. So I'm seeking for $1 million. I know it's a huge amount and it's going to be a very, very rough ride, but I'm up for the challenge. I've been trading for 4 years plus, I would say, because I started trading while I was still in high school. Yeah, a very, very long time. So we are here today. I've made a couple of withdrawals from, trading as a whole, but I've not made any significant amount that I can say, well, but I'm about to change that. $100,000 is what I'm starting with fundedNext. I'm going to be documenting every episode, every trade. Therefore, I'll record every trade and I'll speed it up. I'll put it on here in episodes, and you're going to watch the progress. You're going to see the trades I take. You're going to see how I manage the trades. You're going to see how much I made, what percentage I lost, what I did not make, or whatever. I'm going to update you guys on everything. So if you are into that kind of stuff, if you are into trading content, if you are looking to start prop firms, I will give you a special code, a coupon code that you're going to type in when you're checking out. When you pick your challenge on fundedNext, let's say you go on fundedNext, you pick a challenge that you want to take. When you want to check out, there's an option there to put a coupon code. This is the coupon code right here. You can use this coupon code. It's still in the description below. You can just copy it, put it in that box, and then it's going to give you 5% off. So you pay 5% less. With that said, I want to talk reasons, or I want to give you guys some reasons. Why did I pick fundedNext as my starting firm? Now, before doing this, obviously I've done my due diligence. I've made some research, I guess. So there's a ton of positive reviews on fundedNext. Their Trustpilot is looking pretty good. The amount of traders they've paid off is looking pretty good as well. And also hear that their payouts are pretty fast. They process payouts in less than 24 hours. And it's clearly written on their website that if your payout takes way more than 24 hours or over 24 hours, they are going to pay you an extra $1,000, which to me, I think is pretty solid. I'm really, really excited for this journey. And if you're watching me, subscribe, because I'll be dropping back to back every day, episodes upon episodes upon episodes, till we get to $1 million. It's going to be super exciting. I cannot wait to start. So this is the introduction. This is episode 1, and you'll be seeing me very, very often on your page, on your For You page. So when you see, please kindly click subscribe, like. When you comment, YouTube really helps to push my videos. When you comment, YouTube say, okay, they're liking this guy's video, so to push it. So even if you don't have anything to say, just comment heart, like. It supports me. It goes a long way for me. And I'm trying to reach out to as many people as I can. I'm trying to build this community. I'm trying to build a group of traders who are determined, a group of go-getters. I don't offer any services that has been paid for. I don't sell anything to anybody. I don't sell courses. I don't sell signals. I don't do nothing. I don't need anything from you guys. That's why I chose to document it, because if I do not document it, I can just trade recklessly. And then if it doesn't work out, nobody's going to know. I'll just chill. But since I'm documenting it, it's going to, knowing that there are people who are waiting for updates, there are people who are following me on this journey, I'll be very careful. And that is why documenting your trades is very, very, very important. So let's go ahead and purchase our 100,000 challenge, 2-step challenge with fundedNext. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and pay for the account. I already made a deposit of the amount in my crypto wallet because I'll be using crypto. That's my preferred method of payment. Okay, so CFDs, make sure you check CFDs. Stellar step 2 as well. And then this is our account right here, $100,000. We have a 15% profit reward from challenge phase. This means that if we pass both phases, we're going to receive 15% of the two, phases, 15% of the value of phase 1, 15% of the value of phase 2. By value, I mean the amount made, the percentage made. So on phase 1, is 8%. So we'll receive 50%, 15% of 8%, and then 15% of 5% if it's 2. So these amounts will be paid to you upon your, I think it's the first or it's the second payout. I don't know. And then so phase 1, like you see here, 8% target. Phase 2, 5% target, and the overall drawdown is 10%, which is very, very important. This is very, very important. The drawdown and the leverage. We'll check the leverage in a second. Okay, now then we have the max daily drawdown, which is 5%, which is pretty good. And then this 95% here is an add-on. So if you want to receive 95% of your profits, you have to pay, I think it's extra 30%. So I didn't check that box. I'll just go with the 80%. I'm good. We have 5 trading days minimum, which means if you manage to pass the account in 1 day, you can open 0.01 lot size for the remaining 4 days to, complete this part. And then your first withdrawal will be in 21 days, which is 21 days. I don't like that, but anyways. So yeah, this is the refundable value. Now let's go ahead and click. Sorry. Let me show you guys the leverage. Compare challenges. So the leverage on that account, you can see here, the Stellar account. The leverage is 1:100. This is Stellar 2-step, right? 1:100. That's the leverage. It's always good to check the leverage, all right? Don't go and you're trading and you're not seeing profit. So yeah, let's go ahead. So I'll just check this box, click on, so this is the value here, 549. You also have to be aware, because I did not know, I forgot, it has been a while since I bought a challenge with these guys. So when paying for the challenge, there's a 16% commission. If you click on, like I was using crypto, maybe with the card there is no commission, but with the crypto you have to pay extra $16. So it brings my total to $565. So I'm just going to go ahead and select USDT, and then my network I will go with sorry. I'll go with Tron. I like Tron. So there's supposed to be a next button here. Okay, this is the button. Click on next, and then you click on I acknowledge, blah 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 blah, sign the contract, whatever. Proceed. So now it's going to take you to CoinsBuy. CoinsBuy is a platform where you're going to initiate the transaction, and they'll provide you their crypto wallet. You copy and paste. I've already done the transfer already, so I don't want to prolong that part. Back to my dashboard. This is the account right here. Click on dashboard, and here we have it. This is my challenge. We have to start. Yeah, so I'm really excited for this one. Hello, and yeah, I'm really excited for this one. This is the beginning of my journey to $1 million in prop firm capital. So you guys lock in. I need you guys to lock in. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Okay, guys. So that is it. We are going to be taking our first trade. When I do that, I'll definitely record, post. I'll record it, and then put it on the next episode. So if you have not subscribed, once again, kindly subscribe and follow me on this journey. Use the link in the description to join my free Telegram, because I post my setups there when I want to take my trades. I post what I'm looking out for, and the people in the group, they take the same trades as me if they want to. Yeah, so I just share my ideas. The Telegram is open for everybody if you want to join. There's a lot of things going on there. It's very it's a big space for everybody to join. So go and kindly join. If you want to link up with me on social media, the links are down below. I'll see you guys in the next episode. I'm out.